Today on Art Is, we're going to write and sing a song with Jessica Sarkeesian. Today's class was at Powers-Ginsburg Elementary School in Fresno.
Art Is was made possible by a grant from the Bonner Family Foundation in support of the arts and education.
Hello! I'm excited to be here today because today we are going to create our own original songs. Now first we're going to learn a few different music vocabulary words. Then as a class we're going to create our own song, and then each individual group is going to create their own song as well. And we're going to be using lots of different things to create the music. We have a glass harmonica like I have in front of me here, which is 6 glasses filled with different levels of water. And we have some maracas and some drums, and we'll take a look at those later. But first, let's talk about some music vocabulary. Does anybody know what the word melody means? Let me write that up here. Melody. Melody is simply the main tune in a piece of music. For example, the melody of the ABC song, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? Does that sound familiar to you?
Yeah.
I think it does. Does anybody know the melody to Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star? Can someone sing that for us? Just the first part. Let's hear it.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Yes, did anybody notice that that is the same melody that I just sang? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, twinkle, twinkle, little star. Same tune, isn't it? Different words. Does anyone know the special word we use when we are talking about words in a song? Does anybody know what that special music vocabulary word is? I'm going to write it up for you. Lyrics. Lyrics is the word we use to describe the words in a song. What are the lyrics to the ABC song? You guys just sang them to me. Daniel, what are they?
ABC?
Yes, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? Yeah. What are the lyrics to Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star? How about you? Nice and loud.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
That's right, those words are the lyrics to that song. Exactly. We're going to talk about 2 other things today when we're talking about our songs. One of them is pitch. Does anyone know what that word means when we are talking about music? When we talk about pitch, we talk about how high or how low a sound is. So if I am singing way up here, is that a high pitch or a low pitch?
Higher.
High pitch. What if I'm singing down here?
Low pitch.
Low pitch, right. What if I hear this sound?
High pitch.
What about down here?
Low pitch.
Right, exactly. So we can create pitches, which are different high and low sounds, maybe with a glass or with your own voice. What else could we create different pitches with? Does anybody have an idea? Yes?
The drums?
Drums. Some drums sound higher than other drums, right? In pitch. Some sound higher in pitch, some sound lower in pitch. Can you think of any other things that we use to create different pitches?
Maracas?
Maracas. We're going to use those today. Some of them will sound higher in pitch, some of them will sound lower. Daniel?
A harmonica?
An actual harmonica, right? That's another instrument we use. High pitches and low pitches. Okay? Coming over here?
A guitar?
A guitar, exactly. A guitar has high and low pitches. Pretty much all the instruments that we have heard have high and low pitches, right? Pitch is the sound when it's high and low. What about this word? Dynamics. When we're talking about music and we talk about different dynamics, does anybody know what we mean? Does anybody want to take a guess?
The sound?
It does have something to do with the sound. How loud or how soft the sound is, okay, makes it have different dynamics. Okay, have you ever heard somebody describe something as very dynamic? Have you ever heard that word before, any of you? You have, Daniel?
Yeah.
Yes, sometimes we say things are dynamic and very exciting. And I think when we think of music that is very loud, do we sometimes think that is more exciting?
Yeah.
Especially if we can hear it better, right? So when we're talking about dynamics, we're talking about how loud or how soft a piece of music is. Now let's keep all of those words in mind while we create a song. What have you guys done today? Somebody give me one simple sentence about something you did today, either at school or at home or before you came to school, or if you had something really exciting that you did this weekend. You can give me one sentence about that too.
Me and my brothers, we made a slip and slide.
You made a slip and slide. Ooh, that is exciting. So we made a slip and slide. What was one other thing you did? After you made that slip and slide, then what did you do?
We slid on it.
We slid on it. How did you feel about that?
It was fun because our dad told us to put soap on it.
It was fun because we put soap on it. How many of you would like to do that? I think that would be pretty fun. So I took something fun that you did this weekend. We wrote 3 simple sentences about it. And do you know that you just created the lyrics for your song? Could we sing a song about a slip and slide, everybody?
Yes.
All right. Does anybody have an idea as to a melody or a main tune that they want to use with that? How would you sing that? Daniel?
Kind of high.
You would sing it high? Why would you sing it high, Daniel?
So it sounds more exciting.
Oh, okay. You would sing it higher because it's something that's exciting to you? Okay. Anybody else have a suggestion? Would you sing it loud or would you sing it soft? What would the dynamics be? Yes, sir.
Soft.
And why would you sing it soft?
Because if you sing it louder, then it's going to hurt your ears.
If you sang it loud, it would hurt your ears. It just might, especially if you had sensitive ears. Would anybody else sing it loudly? Some of you would sing it loudly. Why would you sing it loudly?
Because if you sing it soft, you couldn't hear it. But if you sing it louder, and if you were in front of an audience, everybody could hear you.
That is definitely true. But it was exciting for you, wasn't it? And so maybe you might want to sing it loudly just because you're excited about it still, okay?